Hi everyone, today I will present the assembly of the joystick. You might ask, why must to be assembled? Joystick. When you buy joystick from the shop, it's will ready to pay. But when you pay wrong time, maybe 3, 6, 10 months or maybe 1 or 2 years, it has the example that's withstand. We should clean it. We should separate each part of the joystick out for cleaning. With the procedure to disassemble, it is easy. However, the way to assemble should be done step by step. Otherwise, your joystick may be unable to work again. Therefore, I would like to describe the assembling procedure of the joystick. Details of each step are as follows. First, prepare each part joystick includes bottom part, top part, circuit, button of joystick. Secondly, flip top part. Then take button of control function into right slot and take button of direction function into left slot. Next 2. Take green paste. Put on bottom of direction function. Then take yellow paste. Put on bottom of control function. And take start bottom. Select into center slot. Next to flip circuit. Then push on the last process. Choose because circuits will be charged from water. Then take bottom R1 into top right slot. And bottom L1 into top right slot. Next to flip bottom part. Then put on process rapidly. Beware of damage to joystick because joy to be impact. Thirdly, push screw into top left, top right, bottom left, bottom right, center top and center top bottom slot. And then turn each screw clockwise. When you plug in the joystick to PlayStation, you should be soft because plug can be damaged. Finally, joystick plug into PlayStation and then check bottom. Do not press down broken because bottom does not work. Box is ready to pay. Will your box in joystick? Your does not push joystick because joy to joystick between wire and circuit may be broken.